Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily reactivate your Shopify store. Whether you paused your store for a break or it was deactivated for another reason, I'll walk you through the steps to get it up and running again. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account. Go to shopify.com. And click on login at the top right corner. Here you'll need to enter your email and password, or simply log in through your Google account. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, navigate to the settings option at the bottom left of the screen. So here I'll need to enter the 10-digit code sent to my email. So you'll need to select a plan in the settings menu. Click on select a plan. If your store is currently paused or inactive, you'll see an option to reactivate store. Click on the button. Now you'll need to choose or select a plan. Choose the plan that fits best your needs. If you're unsure, you can always start with the basic plan and upgrade later as your business grows. Once you've made your selection, choose this plan. If necessary, update your payment information. Make sure your billing details are correct to avoid any interruptions. After you've entered your payment details, click Confirm Changes. Then click on Subscribe and finally review your plan details and payment information. If everything looks good, click on Reactivate Store. Then your store will be reactivated and you'll be access to your admin dashboard and storefront as usual. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now reactivated and ready for business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.